Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Final Cut Pro for 4K HDR editing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of configuring Final Cut Pro for 4K HDR editing, open the application on your Mac. Select Final Cut Pro from the top menu and then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Playback tab. Ensure that the Use High Dynamic Range option is checked. Next, click on the Import tab in the Preferences. Set the playback settings to optimize for HDR video. Close the Preferences window to return to the main interface. Now, create a new library by clicking on File and selecting New Library. Name your library and choose a location to save it, then click Save. Inside the new library, create a new project by right-clicking on your library name. Select New Project from the context menu. In the New Project dialog, set the resolution to 3840 by 2160 for standard 4K. Change the video codec setting to Apple ProRes 422HQ for better quality. Make sure the color space is set to Rec. 2020 HLG for HDR content. You can also adjust the frame rate according to your footage requirements. Once the project settings are configured, click OK. Now import your 4K HDR footage into your library by right-clicking on the library and selecting Import Media. Locate your HDR files and select them for import. After the files are imported, drag them into your timeline. To enable HDR display, click on the View menu in the upper right corner of the viewer. Select Show in HDR to ensure you are viewing your edits in HDR. When editing, keep in mind to use HDR-compatible effects and color corrections. Utilize the Color Inspector to make necessary adjustments to your footage. Ensure you are monitoring your HDR content on a display that supports HDR. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to export your project. Click on File, then choose Export followed by Media. In the export settings, set the format to master file. Under Video Codec, select Apple ProRes 422HQ or the desired HDR codec. In the Color Space section, confirm it is set to Rec. 2020 HLG. Specify your destination for the exported file and, if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.